Hello everyone, welcome to the vendor upload tutorial for your Xoro system. Basically in this guide we're going to walk through how to upload your vendors into the system. First thing we're going to do is go to the upload vendors module. So I'm going to do that by just typing the module into the search menu here. And basically what you're going to want to do is follow these simple steps. So you're going to download the template and fill the data with the you can fill the template with your data. That's step 2. And then step 3, you're going to upload the template into the system, and that's going to basically create your vendors. One thing I want to mention is this help article that's at the top here. So basically, if you open this article, it's going to show you a video for how to upload your vendors, and also it's going to show you how to basically what kind of data goes into each field. So you can see each of the fields as part of the template. It's going to tell you what kind of data goes into that field. So let's go ahead. Let's download our template and let's start uploading some vendors. So I'm going to click on download template here, save my template. And then basically I'm going to open the template just to show you what it's like. So basically all these columns, each row represents a new vendor in the system, and you can basically fill the data in the template. I've already got a template here that's filled already, and I've actually left one of the mandatory fields blank. So when I actually upload it, it should give me an error. So let's go ahead and let's upload it. So I'm going to click on basically the file that I've got, my sample vendors file. Click on verify and upload, and I'm going to click on upload, and it's going to say 3 errors. So I'm going to download the file actually, so you can actually download the file from here, and that'll explain all the errors for you. So let's go ahead, let's open the file, and let's see what the errors were. So if I scroll to the right here, two of the errors say the accounts payable currency and the vendor currency don't match. And then the other one is saying the vendor name is a required field. So let's close this and let's fix this in our template. So I'm going to fill the company name field here, save this template, and let's actually upload the template. And I'm actually going to go in and I can edit the currency as well, the currency as well, the accounts payable. So actually if I click here, the USD, I want these two currencies to match. I want the account and the currency to match. So I can actually click here for CAD, click here for USD, and then let's go ahead, let's upload the vendors. And you can see now 3 vendors were created in the system, and that is how you upload vendors into your Xoro system. And one more thing I want to mention, basically for updating vendors in the system, if you already have existing vendors, instead of downloading a fresh template, you can download existing vendors, and that'll basically pull all the vendors that are already in the system, and you can batch edit them and then reinsert the same file, and that'll update all your existing vendors in the system.